This tiny object holds immense power. A bullet consists of several crucial components that work together to make it function. First, we have the bullet itself, also known as the projectile. It's typically made of lead or a lead alloy, designed to be aerodynamic and penetrate targets effectively. Next, we have the casing, which houses the bullet. It's usually made of brass or steel and serves as a container for the other components. The casing also provides a seal to prevent gas leakage. Now let's talk about the propellant. This is a chemical mixture, commonly gunpowder, located inside the casing. When ignited, it rapidly burns, producing high-pressure gases that propel the bullet out of the firearm. When the trigger is pulled, it initiates a series of actions. The firing pin strikes the primer, which is a small explosive located in the base of the casing. The primer ignites, creating a spark that sets off the propellant. As the propellant burns, high-pressure gases rapidly build up behind the bullet, forcing it down the gun barrel. Once the pressure reaches its peak, the bullet is propelled forward, exiting the barrel at high velocity.